Hey guys, so today's video I'm actually recording right through the YouTube app. No editing because that takes a lot of effort and I feel like it's making me not want to post and do all those things. So basically today's video, I'm really hungry. I'm in Colorado Springs for work and I decided to do a Smashburger throwback, but apparently their meat distributor is out or on strike in the entire region. I'm assuming all of Colorado, and literally they don't serve beef. So I could only have gotten chicken, turkey, and I was not really feeling that. So I decided to come to, well, okay, I just contradicted myself because I actually came to Chick-Fil-A. But point being, I didn't want chicken from that locate. Like I don't know what their chicken's like, and I feel like I just want to, that's a lie too, because I had chicken in my previous video. But my point is, I'm not trying to have chicken at Smashburger. I feel like their burgers are really good and their chicken was okay. But I am trying to have chicken at Chick-Fil-A because that's what it's all about. They have a new holiday shake, and this is more what I want to taste. It is snowflakes and peppermint milkshake. And it's pink. The small, she said, comes with 2 pumps of the peppermint syrup. And I asked for 1. Okay, it's really thick, not coming through. So let's eat my sandwich, and then we can figure it out. But anyways, it's been a second since I've posted, and like I said, I have the YouTube app and I've seen that they have a recording feature, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do that whole thing. I just realized I can't edit out all of my eating parts. So I don't really know how that's gonna work, but we can play it by ear. So basically what is going down here in Colorado is it's supposed to rain. I mean, not rain, snow. It's basically snowing right now, actually. Look at that. And then, I'm gonna drive up to Denver, and it's gonna take me an hour and a half. And right after that is when pretty much it's gonna start snowing even more all night long. And I'm here until tomorrow. So what I normally get it's the spicy chicken deluxe, and seriously, it is amazing. Make sure you differentiate between the spicy chicken sandwich and the spicy chicken deluxe. Let me tell you, the spicy chicken sandwich, literally all it comes with is a bun, like top and bottom, the chicken, the spicy chicken, and 2 pickles. 2 slices of pickles, and that's it. Nothing. No mustard, mayo, ketchup, nothing. And if you mix it up, like, you're gonna be screwed. Well, I mean, they'll replace it because they're so nice. That's why I love Chick-Fil-A. But point being, I don't know who on planet Earth orders the first one that I mentioned with no condiments, nothing, and just 2 pickles. Like, if you eat that, just get out of here. But the deluxe is bomb. It comes with everything. Wow, okay, this does not want to cooperate. Okay. There's like a crunchy, I guess it's like peppermint bark or whatever that is. But it's good. This is pretty good. It's not that sweet, which is really good actually. But I do love their frosted coffee, so not gonna lie, I still think that's number one. But yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna finish eating the sandwich. I just wanted to check in, say hello, and try this baby, which I think you guys should try it. It's worth it, and I love limited edition things or seasonal, and I'm loving that I just tried something new, and it's probably not going to be around till again next year. But let me finish this up and start driving so I don't get stuck in a snowstorm, because this LA guy does not know how to handle snow. So bye y'all.